Hi, I'm Danny Blackford, Affinity Horsemanship. This here is my main horse Drummer. This last week I've probably done about 70-80 miles with him. He works quite hard. He does around 60 miles a week generally. Has a week off every now and again when he's lucky. I just want to really take some bite-size, make some bite-sized videos of my methods, my principles. I'm a horse trainer, but alongside the horse training I do body work. So I don't do this instead of, it is combined with the training. And the reason for this is to keep the horse supple and pain-free. There's only 3 reasons that a horse will misbehave, or in our view misbehave, and those 3 reasons is 1, the horse is in pain, 2, because the horse is anxious, or 3, because the horse doesn't understand what it is you're asking him to do. So when I work with a horse, whether it be breaking a horse in or working with a remedial horse, or just even getting to know a horse, I'll go through a set sort of procedure of what I'll do to kind of get that horse, make sure that horse is okay, make sure he's got no pain or no restrictions in his body. So I'm just going to show you very basically through a few 10-minute clips of some massage and stretches that you can easily do on your horse. I have studied massage and sports rehabilitation, and I have also studied Jim Masterson's methods, which I find fantastic. If you haven't come across Jim Masterson, look him up, YouTube, or he's got a fantastic website, really good books. DVDs. His methods are really easy to apply and very successful in keeping your horse supple and fit for work. So I'm going to just work through a basic static assessment you can do with your horse, just to make sure, maybe you've had the horse off for a while, or maybe you're starting with a new horse, but just start at the front and just look when the horse is square. Look at his shoulders, do they seem even? Look down, does his chest seem even? Are his legs even? Are his knees look the same? Is there any lumps or bumps? Looking down the legs, are his feet turned in, or his feet turned out? Or is he, more on one heel than the other? His head cocked to one side slightly maybe? Is his tail straight? Is his tail hanging straight? Is his hips at the same level? Just a basic static look around your horse. You will tell if there's something untoward, something that's not really normal. And then what I would go to do is just palpate around the horse, and you can start at the front or start at the back. Seeing as I'm here, I'm going to start at the back, and I'm just going to feel the muscles here, to feel if there's any sort of hard bits in the muscle. It'll feel like a sort of a well done steak. See if the hamstrings are tight here. He feels really quite nice at the back here. Have a good sort of feel around here, both sides. Okay, so here, right in this spot, I can actually feel that there's a trigger point, like a tight bit in the muscle. So I'm just going to sort of make a little bit of a note about that. I'm going to give it a little bit of a rub here, and we'll see he's sort of made a little bit of a release there, which means he's actually releasing the tension from that. Feeling his hamstrings, are they even? Yeah, they're fairly good. So he's got a little bit of tight spot just on this side, and we'll just work through the whole horse. He's a little bit tight down here in his sacral lumbar area, so I'll just sort of make a note of that. Nothing too bad here. We're just having a feel down his intercostals, between his ribs, and really I'm just having a prod and a poke around the horse, and just seeing if I can feel any tight bits on him. So yeah, the places I would imagine him to be tight is here, where towards the back of the saddle. He's done a lot of miles, He's got slightly tight muscle there, but nothing horrific. He just reacted a little bit on that. Yeah, so he's got a little bit of tightness just on this side where his saddle would sit here. So I'm just going to sort of note that. So yeah, generally he's feeling pretty reasonable. Okay, I'm just going to feel down his legs. I'm just going to feel for any new lumps or bumps. And I'm kind of working through this quite quick. I'd rather you take more time on this, but as I'm just doing it as a 10-minute video, I just want to kind of go through what it is that I would do, what I'm doing. Okay, it's got a small little cut there, nothing much. Okay, so you know, you can take a good 10-15 minutes actually palpating and having a good feel around. But just as I say, I wanted to just sort of flip through that a bit quicker just to show you roughly and talk to you what I'd be looking for and work on. Don't rush through them, just take the time and the rewards will follow. So what I'm really talking about is I'm going to work through my groundwork techniques, I'm going to work through my ridden techniques. All of this will give you a soft, supple horse that's agile, willing, calm and confident. Alongside the groundwork and the ridden work, it's really important to make sure the horse stays as healthy and supple as possible. So my training methods are intertwined with bodywork. The bodywork will really help you with your bond as well, because you're doing something nice for the horse. There's three reasons, as I've said before, three reasons why a horse won't do what you're asking him to do. And one is because the horse is in pain, two is because the horse is anxious, and three is because the horse doesn't understand what it is you're asking him. So first of all, we need to make sure that the horse isn't in pain. So working through a static assessment, a trot up, working him on the lunge, and just seeing for any lameness and any soreness. Those are the things that you need to do really when you first get the horse, or if you're just getting the horse in out the field for the first time for months. And it's quite good to do at regular intervals. Like Drummer here, he's done quite a lot of work over the last well, all summer really. So I'm just kind of got a few days here. I'm just going to give him a bit of massage treatment for a few days, just get him real nice and soft and supple. And I just wanted to share with you a few of the techniques that I'm going to use that's easy for you to apply with your horse and get him you know, nice and soft and supple. I mean, if there's something that you're not sure about, then call the vet, or call the vet. And if you need help with the body work, or you think it's something you can't tackle, then call a physio or a chiropractor, or equine massage worker, body worker. They come in many shapes and sizes. They all do a good job, in my opinion. So I'm just going to work through these bite-sized videos with you. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and hopefully I can help you to really get in harmony with your horse.